Good morning. I want to show you what I do first thing in the morning to take care of my skin. And the first thing that I'm going to use is the Doterra facial cleanser. And I'm going to apply a little bit to my brush. I've already damped my skin. I'm just going to put a little here, a little here, a little here. I'm going to turn it on. It smells like peppermint oil, which kind of wakes you up first thing in the morning. I love the smell of peppermint. Try not to get too close to the eye area. The next thing that I am going to do is rinse this off. Take a damp towel. The next thing I do is I put on a scrub. And it's just to polish my skin. Do it to my hands too. So now that I've placed the scrub, now I'm going to wash it off. It is so important to scrub your skin to remove any dead skin. That's what the polishing scrub does. The invigorating scrub does. Oh, my face feels soft. So the next thing that I'm going to use is the toner. It is so important when you have a skincare system to have a toner, because the toner removes any excessive stuff that was left from your cleanser. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my towel. Just tone, balance the skin. And the last step is, of course, your hydrating cream. the biggest things I like about this system is it doesn't dry your skin out, and there are essential oils in this whole system. So now I'm going to put a little cream on my face.
There will be weekly uploads on essential oils. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell.
That is my morning routine with my skincare system. And after my skincare system, I go ahead and use my bubble bath, my body wash. So this is the body wash I use. It's like a spa. It's like my spa at home. So I'm going to go ahead and shower with my body wash. And then once I get out of the shower, I am going to finish off with my body wash.